Hi, welcome to English 114. This is week 14. There are two things that you need to be working on this week. You need to be continuing to work on your proposal, and you've already thought of some ideas and posted your ideas in the forum. I was really impressed with your ideas. I thought you had some very good ideas. And also you have worked this past week on getting an outline together so that you've been thinking about who is going to make the decision on your proposal, how long will it take to carry out your proposal, how much will it cost, and that sort of thing. Remember, your format is either going to be memo or business letter, and remember that memo is the short headings at the top, business letter is the full formal business letter format. I've put reminder documents on the Moodle tab for this week so that you can look at the format again for memos and for business letters. And this is something that's really important. Most of you have it down pat, but some of you are still struggling with that a little bit, so it doesn't hurt to remind you again this week. The other thing that we worked on last week was a progress report, which was a level 1 report where you just gave information about how you were coming along in English 114, and you basically followed your syllabus, your course outline as to what we've already completed, what was in progress, and then what we have yet to complete. One of the things that we have yet to complete is that full written proposal. So keep working on that. That's your assignment for this week, to keep working on that. If you have any questions about that, you need to contact me, email me, call me, come see me, whatever you need to do, I will be glad to help you. The other assignment for this week is a level 2 short report, and this is an equipment evaluation report. In an equipment evaluation, you evaluate some kind of equipment, a tool. In this case, it's going to be a Ford F-150 truck. And you don't have to go out and do the research and drive a truck in order to do this report. All of the information is given to you on page 372 in your text. And all you have to do is decide how to design your document and where you're going to put that information according to where it needs to go in the equipment evaluation. What an equipment evaluation does is it tells you what works well with the equipment and what could work a little bit better. And so our introductory summary is going to be our A part. Our B part of our ABC format, the body this time, is going to have 2 headings. And the 2 headings will be your one called positive features. It's always a good idea to put the positive first. And then your second heading for the body will be negative features. And so you're going to not only look at what didn't work so well for the truck, but also what could work better. And so you're going to make some recommendations during that part, and you will see as you read the problem that all the information is there. You just need to know how to assimilate it. And then the C part of your report will be your conclusion. We're going to actually call it conclusion again this week. And in your conclusion, it's important to restate all of your recommendations. Now, we said early in the course that in business writing we don't want to be repetitive, but sometimes it's very important for you to do that. And especially if you're making recommendations and you've made it throughout the body of your report, you want to summarize them in your conclusion. This is a place where you would not want to go into a lot of detail again, but you would want to bullet the main recommendations so that they don't get overlooked. So this week I'm doing this a little bit different. Instead of asking you to read the chapter, read the assignment, watch my video, and read through the PowerPoint or listen to it, because I do talk to you throughout the PowerPoint. But this time I'm going to put all of the information except for, of course, the Moodle turn-in link is still there with the actual document that spells out what the assignment is. But instead of asking you to go through the PowerPoint, I'm just going to ask you to watch my video, and I'm going to include some slides in the video that will allow you to see what I would have said in the PowerPoint. I hope this works well for you. I'd like to get your feedback on it and see how it works for you. So this week then, 2 graded assignments. One, you won't get your grade until December when you turn in your written proposal, but it's really important to keep working on it now while you have time, and because you have so much research and information to gather to make your report as good as it possibly can be. Also, don't forget to do your equipment evaluation report, which is very important. And I would like to hear from you. Do you like doing it all in one video from me, or did you like it better when my video was shorter and you just did the PowerPoint on its own? I really would like to hear how it works. So I hope you have a great week. Call me, contact me, come see me if I can be of any help to you on that proposal. If you have any questions about this week's assignment, same thing. Have a great week.